Hi guys, today I'm going to show you on an iPhone how to block a phone number that you don't want to receive phone calls from. Many people use this option primarily to block marketers that are always calling to sell things that we don't want, and it can become very annoying, especially if they are very persistent. Sometimes they have multiple phone numbers, so you may have to block several of them, but you can start to block them, and you can at least significantly reduce the amount of phone calls you receive from them. This option can, of course, also be used if you have a falling out with someone and you simply don't want to be available to receive their phone calls. So in this case, we're just going to look for our phone icon. In my case, you can see it's right here, but if you're having trouble finding it, you can just swipe down from the center of your screen like so. And as you can see on the search bar, you can just type the word phone and the phone icon right here appears. Just click on that. And on the bottom, you can see there are several options. You can either find the phone number you want on the recents. This is the recent calls. This is a very easy way to find it. Or you can find it right here on your contacts. If you save that phone number, you can find it right here on your contacts. For example, if we want to block this person, Abigail Abston, right here, we're just going to go ahead and click it. And we can just go to the bottom right here. And here's the option to block this caller. We're going to select that. Okay, as you can see, it says you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on the blocked list. You go ahead and click that button, block contact, and boom, it's blocked. Now, however, if you want to reinstate that person, if you are ready to receive phone calls from that person, you can do the same process. Just select that person again, go down over here, and just click right here on the button that says unblock this caller. We click it, and you're good to go. You can receive phone calls from this person. Now, usually when you get phone calls, for example, from marketers, you don't usually save their number. It just appears here. So we're gonna do an example right here. For example, let's say this number right here is a phone marketer, and we want to block this person. We're going to go ahead and click the info button right here. And as you can see, it's very similar to the process we saw before. Just scroll down and we're gonna say block this caller. We're gonna block him and we are ready. So I hope this helps, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can give you guys more helpful tips. See ya.